Hello friend, how are you all? Welcome to Star Enterprises Furniture. My name is Masih Khan. So I am back with a new video for office table with 3 chairs. One is master chair, two are the VIP chairs. We have used with this unit, and this unit made in the shisham wood, high quality shisham. We have used in this unit, and the walnut gloss finish. We manufactured it as per the client requirement. We can make this unit in the natural color also, golden, white, off white, gold with shading, any color. This is totally customizable. Matters also, as like the upholstery, you can also customize as per your choice, the color and everything. Now we come on the point. This unit is totally hand carved, and now you can see the gloss and finishing and everything easily. This is totally hand carved. The lion and the side panels, both side carving, everything is hand carved by experienced artisan. If you are planning and thinking about to purchasing these kind of high quality furniture, then you have to just go through the Star Enterprises, because we deals in the highest quality furniture ever. If you need the high quality furniture, then you can contact us on the above written number. We can provide you the delivery all over India and the abroad also. तो दोस्तों, मैं आज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे पास बहुत लोगों की कॉल आते हैं और उनकी एक ही कंप्लेंट रहती है कि हमने सहारनपुर से ख़रीदा और हमारे फर्नीचर में ऐसे ऐसे हो गया है। बट रियलिटी ये है कि वो लोग ख़रीदते हैं कि जब उनको लो प्राइस कोट किया जाता है, वो जो जिस कंपनी से वो ख़रीद रहे हैं वो कंपनी कहीं पे स्टैंड भी नहीं करती है। ऐसी कंपनी से जब आप ख़रीदेंगे और वो लो प्राइस कोट करेंगे, आपको लगता है कि सस्ता मिल रहा है। तो इस तरह के रॉयल फर्नीचर कभी चीप क्वालिटी में नहीं आ सकते। आपको भी ये इस वीडियो को देखकर अंदाज़ा लग ही रहा होगा। इफ़ यू वांट दिस काइंड ऑफ हाई क्वालिटी फर्नीचर, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट गो थ्रू द प्रीमियम कंपनीज which are manufacturing these kind of qualities. Here are the several companies who deals in these kind of quality furnitures. Then friends, you can contact us anytime from anywhere. We will provide you the delivery all over world. So friends, hope you like this and enjoy it. Please share us to your friend and your colleagues also. When you comment us, we got the motivation from your side, and then we comes for you and upload the video daily. And shortage of time, I don't come daily and I don't upload video daily. So now friend, hope you like it and enjoy it. Please be continuing the Star Enterprises, and I'll be back soon with a new video. Lots of video need to come. We already uploaded 185 videos till now. Lots of videos in the queue, and we are coming with the lots of design and lots of blessing of yours. So friends, be continuing the Star Enterprises and purchase the high quality material from us and from this kind of reputed companies, so you can have to go through. So friends, hope you like it and enjoy it. Be continue. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.